Hi friends, Kunal here from Team Samj. Today I will share story of Supriya, returning mother who resumed IT career as Salesforce developer after attending Salesforce practical training by Samj. Let me start. Supriya sits at her kitchen table, surrounded by toys and cereal boxes, feeling a mix of nostalgia and longing for her career before motherhood. She gazes at her laptop, memories flooding back of her days as a Salesforce developer. As she scrolls through social media, Supriya comes across a post about a Salesforce training program by Samj. Intrigued, she takes a moment to ponder if this could be her chance to reignite her passion for IT. After some hesitation, Supriya enrolls in the training. Her heart races with excitement and fear as she prepares for the first day, balancing her role as a mother and a student once again. In the training sessions with Samj, Supriya is captivated by the practical exercises and hands-on learning. She finds herself immersed, her confidence gradually building as she reconnects with her technical skills. Late nights become her routine as she balances homework and caring for her kids. There are moments of frustration, but also triumph when she solves a complex problem or pushes through a challenging assignment. As the training progresses, Supriya meets other mothers in the course, sharing laughs and encouragement. Together, they uplift one another, creating a supportive community full of ambition and resilience. With each passing week, Supriya's skills sharpen. She practices coding and develops projects, each successful completion fueling her determination to return to the industry she loves. The climax hits when Supriya receives a message about a job opportunity, a perfect position for her skills at a prominent tech company. Excitement bursts through her as she prepares for the interview. On the day of the interview, nerves take over. Supriya takes a deep breath, recalling her training and the support from her peers. She steps into the interview room ready to prove herself. The interview goes incredibly well. Supriya showcases her knowledge and enthusiasm, and the interviewers seem impressed. As she leaves, a wave of hope washes over her, igniting her dream of returning to the IT world. Days later, Supriya receives the job offer. Overwhelmed with joy, she shares the news with her family, who cheer and celebrate her success and perseverance through her journey. In the closing scene, Supriya takes a moment to reflect on her transformation. She considers how far she's come, balancing motherhood with her career aspirations, feeling empowered and ready to embrace her new role as a Salesforce developer. As she opens her laptop to start her new job, Supriya smiles, knowing this is just the beginning of an exciting new chapter in her life. She feels a renewed sense of purpose, ready to take on the challenges ahead.